Now, today we learn about the number systems. Now, what we learn in number systems today, you learn or know about number systems in your previous standards, but here we clear some concept and ideas about number systems. It's helpful to you to understand maths numericals also. We learn about all the number systems. Now, what is number system? The number system is that we used for making calculations. By using number system, we makes possible calculations like counting, multiplication, addition, subtractions, and also all our digital data and world of digital communication, computers, electronics data, all are based on number systems. In short, we say that each and everything today is based on number systems. How many number systems? So up to now you learn only about one number system, that is a decimal number system. So it's called 0 to 9. Now this number system is used by human being only, but there are only also other number systems like binary, octal, hexadecimals. These all these number systems are computer based. Now before that we understand decimal number system. Now decimal is a term that describes the base 10 number system, probably the most commonly used number system. Up to now we just only learn about this decimal number systems which consist 10 digits, means 0 to 9. So here each and every number means all numbers are the combination of 0 to 9 digits. As I told you earlier, we count things using numbers. So here we count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So numbers are used for counting. So here we count 5 emojis. So let's we start always from 1, right? Whenever we do counting, it will be starts from 1. So it's called counting numbers or natural numbers. Now if there is 4 puppies and now there is none, how do we show none or nothing? So for that we use 0 to show nothing. So at that time the counting numbers or natural numbers along with 0 forms a whole number. In the number system, each number is represented by its base or radix. Now total number of digits in any number system is called its base or radix. That means in decimal number system we have total 0 to 9, means 10 digits. So the base of decimal number system is 10, right? Now each digit in the decimal number system has its position, and every digit is 10 times more significant than the previous digit. Each digit have its own place value in number system. Place value means the value of digit where it will be placed. It means the position, on which position the particular digit is placed, that decides the value of that particular digit. So here each and every value in this number has the place value of power 10 in decimal number systems. Now here we see about one example. Now see, here the number 95 is given, that is the decimal number system. Up to now we are directly writing the 95, but here we written in bracket and with the power of base, with the base of 10. It's also called radix. So it's called 95 number of decimal. Okay, now let's we see how this number is calculated. Now it will be start from least significant digit to most significant digit. Means power of 10 raised to 0 multiplied by 5 plus 10 raised to 1 multiplied by 9. So 90 plus 5 is equal to 95. So here the value of 9 is 90 and the value of 5 is 5. It means 1, right? And value of 9 is 10. Now same thing here in the number 539. In the number 539, the value of 9 is ones, means 9. Value of 3 is tens, means 3 multiplied by 10 means 30. And the value of 5 is 100. So 10 raised to 2. So it will be a 500. So here we can clearly see in the first example the value of 9 is 90 and in second example the value of 9 is 9. Both are the numbers but place is changed of 9. Same thing is for 5. In the first example the value of 5 is 5 and in second example the value of 5 is 500. So here again the change in the place, so it decides the value of particular digits. It's called place value. So which is the most significant digit and least significant digit? See here 473.022. so LSD it's called least significant digit, MSD is called most significant digit. So I told you earlier also, we always counting from least significant digit to most significant digit. In all additions, multiplications, subtractions, each and every time we do in any number system, calculations are done from least significant digit to most significant digit. See here we see example 901 plus 45. So how do we add these numbers? First 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, 0 plus 4 and at the end 9. So it's 946. So calculation will be done from LSD to MSD. Now the binary number system. In binary number system we have only two digits, 0 and 1. So again I told you total digits in any number system called base or radix. So here we have only two digits, 0 and 1. So what is the base or radix? It's 2, right? So here all numbers created by the combination of 0 and 1. Now once again a single binary digit is called a bit. So 0 is also called a bit and 1 is also called a bit. So here 10101 is a 5-bit binary number. 101 is a 3-bit binary number. 100001 is a 6-bit binary number. Now how to calculate binary numbers? The number to be operated is 1235, 1235, right? So here again in decimal number we called it as 1235, right? So here we can see the base of radix of 5 is 10 raised to 0, 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 10 raised to 3 from least significant digit to most significant digit. So here we see the calculations. So here the value of 5 is 5, value of 3 is 30, value of 2 is 200, and the value of 1 is 1000. So same thing is shown in binary, right? So 2 raised to 0, the base of binary is 2. So again LSD to MSD, 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. So here we see that how we convert numbers into binary numbers. So 1 is equal to 1, 2 means 1 0, it's called 1 0, not 10. Remember, in binary we have only two digits, 1 and 0, so it's called 1 0, not 10. Number 3 is equal to 1 1, 4 1 0 0, 5 is equal to 1 0 1. In this way it will be calculated for each and every numbers. Now here how calculations will be done from binary to decimal number systems. Now here we see the example. Here 7 decimal number is given and the binary number of 7 is equal to 111. So how it will be calculated? Now see, 111, 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 0 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 2. LSD to MSD, we put the values, place value, right? Then we calculate 1 multiplied by 4 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 1, so is equal to 7. Now same example for 9. So here the value of 9 in binary is 1001. So again it will be calculated as from LSD to MSD, 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 0 plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to 1 plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 3. So now after the calculation it comes to 9. Now in this way we calculate the number systems. Now there are, we told that many number systems. So decimal number system is equal to 10 digits. So it's consists of 0 to 9. Binary number systems having only 2 digits, so 0 and 1. Octal number systems 8 digits, 0 to 7, and hexadecimal number system 16 digits, 0 to 9 and A to F.